What'd you just do, Edwin?
Put Tofu's first collar on.
His first collar?
How do you like your first collar, Tofu?
So we decided to give him a collar because he's already ran out once. And he's a very frisky kitty. And we're just scared he'll get out.
He's on the bottom.
So he's already ripped his collar off once. I think he's losing his mind. Maybe put that on the back of his neck? I can't even hold the camera still.
Good job putting it on the back of his neck.
Honey, he's eating it. That's not okay, Edwin. Honey, he's going crazy. I don't think this is a good idea. Tofu, no. Baby. Calm down. Ouch! Honey, I think we should take it off. And just hope that if he gets out, someone will have the same sympathy to... What was that for? Did you see him? He's like, oh, I can't... Honey, no, Tofu, calm down. Honey, this is really tight. Edwin. Oh. It's too tight, Edwin. I think you gotta make it loose, more loose.